A HWAM wood-burning stove holds a little secret, a secret that has been kept for 30-odd years. It is a heat-sensitive spring at the core of your HWAM wood-burning stove by the name of HWAM Autopilot. Once you have lit the fire, HWAM Autopilot takes over and automatically regulates the air supply. As the heat rises and falls in the combustion chamber, the heat-sensitive spring will cause the 3 mechanical air dampers to open or close, depending on the current temperature in the combustion chamber. In effect, optimum combustion without you having to do anything. Simply set the regulation to your heating requirements. Easy, convenient, eco-friendly, and economical. A HWAM wood-burning stove means better comfort, 40% savings on your firewood consumption, environmentally friendly combustion. HWAM Autopilot is standard in all HWAM wood-burning stoves and included in the price.